7 out of 10 online shopping carts get abandoned, and your store's own logs quietly explain why. Every search, every click, every hesitation is sitting right there. Earlier in this series, we taught Elasticsearch to understand our products using vectors. Today, we point those same vectors at our users. Let's see how you design a journey tracker with Spring AI 2.0 Yo, one that reads a visitor's clickstream and maps their intent. Ready to buy, hunting a discount, or about to leave? By the end, you can design it and explain it in any interview. So, what does a store actually know about a visitor? Plenty of numbers, page views, session length, a funnel chart that says search, then product, then cart. But here's the blind spot: those numbers count actions, they don't read meaning. More than half of shoppers say they're only browsing. 7 out of 10 carts get abandoned. And a rigid funnel rule treats the bargain hunter, the gift shopper, and the ready buyer as the same 3 clicks. The question that actually makes money is different. What does this visitor want right now? That's intent. Now the idea that unlocks everything. Look at a log line. User searched for waterproof hiking boots. That's not just data, that's a sentence. And sentences are exactly what embedding models understand. An embedding turns text into a vector, a list of numbers that captures its meaning, and similar meanings land close together in vector space. So a shopper's session becomes a trail of points, and intent archetypes become regions on that map. Which region is the trail closest to? Here's the mantra for this whole video. Events become sentences, sentences become vectors, and intent becomes a search. So let's turn that idea into an architecture, and it's small. One Spring Boot service. Events flow in through a tracking endpoint. A tiny verbalizer turns each event into a sentence. Spring AI's embedding model turns the sentence into a vector, and everything lands in Elasticsearch, in an index called Journey Events. Beside it sits a second tiny index keyed intent-archetypes, holding one description for each intent we care about. And on the query side, 2 doors. One rebuilds a session's journey, the other matches that journey against the archetypes. 2 indexes, 1 embedding model, that's the whole machine. Time to see how you'd wire it up. In your Maven build file, 3 pieces: the Spring AI bill of materials at 2.0, the Elasticsearch VectorStore starter, and an embedding model. For local and free, the Transformer starter runs the mini LM model inside your JVM. No API key, no data leaving the box. In application properties, 4 lines matter. Initialize schema, set to true. It's false by default, classic gotcha. The index name, similarity, cousin, and dimensions 384 tan, that number must match your embedding model or indexing fails on day 1. Elasticsearch itself, 1 Docker command. Now the event itself. A user event is a plain Java record. User ID, session ID, an event type, and a small payload map. Which product, which query, which price. The interesting part is the verbalize method. It turns that record into one plain sentence. Searched for waterproof hiking boots, viewed Trailblaze runners at 120, applied a discount code. Why bother? Because embedding models read language, not JSON. A raw JSON blob embeds terribly. Field names and braces carry almost no meaning. Verbalize first, and the vector captures what the user actually did. Sentence in, meaning out. With events verbalized, storing them is almost embarrassingly short. The tracking endpoint accepts the event, builds a Spring AI document, the sentence as its text, and user ID, session ID, event type, and a timestamp as metadata, and calls VectorStore.add. That one call does 2 jobs. Spring AI embeds the sentence, and Elasticsearch stores text, metadata, and vector together side by side. Remember that trio? Because the metadata is about to become our filter, and the vector our search. 1 endpoint, 1 document, 1 ID, ingestion done. Let's read a journey back. VectorSearch has a secret weapon for this: filter expressions. In the search request builder, you'd pass a query, top K, and a filter expression, session ID equals S9410. The filter narrows the search to that one session's events. A quick sort by the timestamp metadata, and the timeline is back. But be honest, in interviews, vector search ranks by similarity, not by time. The sorting is your job. And here's the superpower part. Ask across all sessions. Shoppers struggling with sizing, and it finds size guide views and fit returns with 0 shared keywords, meaning not matching. Journeys solved. Now the map they land on, the intent archetypes. This is a second tiny index, seeded once at startup with 1 document per intent. Ready to buy? Returns to the same product, checks delivery, adds to cart. Price Hunter compares similar items, sorts low to high, hunts discount codes. Researcher reads reviews and size guides, long visits, no cart, gift shopper and churn risk, repeated searches, empty results, rage clicks. Notice these are descriptions, not labels. Embeddings can't compare a bare word like researcher, they compare the meaning of full descriptions. 5 sentences, 5 regions on the map. And now the payoff, mapping intent. With zero machine learning training, take the session sentences and join them into one short narrative. Searched boots, viewed 2 products, sorted by price, applied a code, embed that narrative and run similarity search against the archetypes index top K2. Back come scores, price hunter 0.83, ready to buy 0.61. That's classification as a nearest neighbor search. No labeled data, no model fine tuning, no LLM call, just cosine similarity against 5 descriptions. Say the mantra with me. Events become sentences, sentences become vectors, and intent becomes a search. Let's watch one full session flow through, honestly staged so you can see the shape of it. Tuesday night, session S9410. 6 events arrive, a search for waterproof hiking boots, 2 product views, a sort by price low to high, a coupon hunt, and a cart abandoned at shipping. The journey endpoint replays that timeline. The intent endpoint answers, price hunter 0.83. And downstream, the store reacts. A free shipping nudge or a limited coupon instead of a generic pop-up. Same session, but now the store knows why the cart stalled. If you want plain language answers on top, Spring AI 2.0 has one more gear. ChatClient, feed it the journey and the intent scores as context and ask for a recommendation. And instead of parsing prose, end the call with .entity, passing a next best action record, the same structured output trick from our fraud detection video. The model returns a typed object, action, message, confidence. Retrieval first, generation second. That's the same RAG shape we built for the support bot, just pointed at clickstreams. The LLM is optional garnish here, the intent math never needed it. Before the recap, production truths, 5 of them. 1D, the vector index is for meaning. Keep your regular database as the system of record. 2, at real traffic, events arrive through Kafka, not a bare REST call. Our fraud detection video shows that exact pipeline. 3, embed in batches, per event calls are wasteful. 4, privacy. Treat embedded text like stored text, never embed emails, addresses, or card numbers, and set a retention window. 5. The local mini LM model means clickstreams never leave your infrastructure. Swap to a hosted model with one property when you choose to. Design choices, not defaults. Now let's turn this into interview ammunition. Question: how would you classify user intent without training a model? Answer: zero-shot classification. Embed the text, embed the label descriptions, nearest neighbor wins. Question: why verbalize events before embedding? Because embedding models read language, a JSON blob buries the meaning. Question: how do you scope vector search to one user or session? Filter expressions, the where clause of vector search. And the classic, why must dimensions match? Because the index is built for exactly the vector size your model outputs. 4 questions. You now own all of them. Full recap. 6 steps. 1 machine. Events arrive at a tracking endpoint. A verbalizer turns each one into a sentence. The embedding model turns sentences into vectors, and Elasticsearch stores text, metadata, and vector together. Filter expressions rebuild any user's journey. Similarity search against 5 archetype descriptions maps the intent. No training, no labels. And an optional chat client turns that into a next best action. One more time, so it sticks. Events become sentences. Sentences become vectors. And intent becomes a search. If this changed how you look at your own application logs, a like really helps the channel. We've built semantic search, hybrid search, a support bot, fraud detection, and now intent mapping. The Spring AI 2.0 series is becoming a complete toolkit. Comment which archetype you'd add, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.